Well, in this problem, we have a girl and a boy. They are standing on the opposite edge of a 6-meter long platform, which is further kept on a smooth floor. And they start moving towards each other, as you can see in this figure, and the boy seems to be quite happy about it. And finally, they meet at the midpoint of the platform. We have to find the displacement of the platform if the mass of girl, boy and platform are 40 kg, 60 kg and 50 kg respectively. So let's see what all quantities are given to us. The length of the platform is given to us as 6 meter, and this platform is resting on a frictionless ground, so its friction coefficient is 0. And it is given that the girl moves towards right and the boy moves towards left, and finally they are going to meet at the midpoint of this platform. So do we know the displacements of the girl and the boy? Definitely not. We do know the displacement of the girl relative to the platform. Well, relative to the platform, the girl is going to move 3 meters towards the right direction. Therefore, we can say that displacement of the girl relative to the platform is 3. Let's say the right direction is positive. Now, what about the displacement of the boy? Definitely, again, displacement of the boy relative to the plank is known to us, because with respect to the plank, the boy is moving in the left direction, and how much it is moving? It is moving by 3 meters. So we can write displacement of the boy relative to the plank as minus of 3 meters. And we have to find displacement of the platform relative to the ground. Obviously, that is unknown to us. Let us say that it is equal to x. And what else do we know? Well, we also know that the displacement of center of mass of the girl, boy and platform as one system is going to be 0. Why the displacement of the center of mass of this entire system is going to be 0? That is because you can see that in the horizontal direction we are dealing with. So in the horizontal direction, there is no external force because it is a frictionless ground. Therefore, in the absence of any external force, the center of mass which was initially at rest will remain at rest. So we can write an equation as mass of the girl into displacement of the girl. Obviously, this is relative to the ground, plus mass of boy into displacement of boy, plus mass of platform into displacement of platform will be equal to 0. So mass of girl is 40 kg into, do we know displacement of the girl? Definitely not, but we do know displacement of the girl relative to the plank. So we are going to use the concept of relative motion, wherein displacement of girl will be equal to displacement of girl relative to the platform plus displacement of the platform. So we know displacement of girl relative to the platform, but we do not know displacement of platform, but we have considered it as x. So this bracket is going to become 3 plus x in the next step. Now in the next term, it is mass of the boy, which is 60 kg multiplied by displacement of the boy. Similarly, we can write it as displacement of boy relative to the platform plus displacement of platform. So displacement of boy relative to the platform is minus 3. So we will put it over here. So this bracket is going to become minus 3 plus x plus, now the last term is mass of the platform, which is 50 kg into displacement of the platform, that is x. That's what we have to find. This is equal to now 0. So you can see that in this equation we just have only one unknown. When you solve it, we are going to get the value of x as equal to 0.4 meter. And as you can see that this x is coming out to be positive, therefore the plank is going to move in the right direction. So finally, we can say that the displacement of the plank is 0.4 meter or 40 centimeter in the right direction.